Hello everyone. So I think everyone is very confused about what to study at this point of time and what not. So I have brought to you some short video related to how to do revision when few months are left in your exam. This is basically based on what I followed and got selected into the NEET in medical college ultimately. So, this is a basic planner which everyone needs to follow. This is a basic routine I used to say that it is very important that what to do and what not when the time is limited. So, let's start. First of all, you need to prioritize the topics. Make a list, take a notebook, pen, and paper. Do it right now. Pause the video, do it right now. Write the topics, make 3 columns. Write the most difficult topics which you know like मेरे से ये question नहीं होगा. अगर ये question आया इस topic का like for example semiconductor का question आ गया, I will not be able to do it. I will not be able to solve it. Okay. Put that chapter name or topic name specifically in that column. नेक्स्ट कॉलम कम्स मॉडरेट. इफ क्वेश्चन आया कि थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगेगा, टाइम लगेगा सॉल्व करने में, जितना बेसिक टाइम लगता है 1 मिनट से कम लगना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा लगेगा, तो उसको मॉडरेट में लिखिए. थर्ड कॉलम कम्स वेरी इजी. लाइक इसका क्वेश्चन आया देन आई डोंट नीड टू रिवाइज इट इवन, कि अगर मैंने रिवाइज भी नहीं किया पेपर से पहले लाइक हो जाएगा, ये मुझे पता ही है, इट्स ऑब्वियस फॉर मी. ठीक है, वो उसको ईजी में लिख दो सो दैट अगर टाइम नहीं मिला यू विल स्किप दोज टॉपिक्स एंड नॉट द इम्पॉर्टेंट वंस, बिकॉज जो इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं एंड दोज वी आर नॉट प्रोफिशिएंट एट, वी यूज टू स्किप दोज. लाइक हमें नहीं मन कर रहा, सेमीकंडक्टर्स मुझे डिफिकल्ट लगता है, मार्क्स कटते हैं उसकी वजह से, आई विल नॉट रिवाइज दैट. दिस इज अ बेसिक नेचर, but we need to focus on those topics to achieve a good rank and good marks. Okay, so this is the first step to prioritize the topics. The next step comes मेकिंग अ डेली शेड्यूल. डेली शेड्यूल में ये नहीं लिखना कि मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट कब करना है, मैंने स्पोर्ट्स में कब जाना है, ये सब कब करना है. ये सब आपको करना है. दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपको रोज़ एक अपना एक्टिविटी रखनी है. अगर अभी तक आपने कोई भी अपनी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं रखी है देन इट इज़ द टाइम टू स्टार्ट. लोगों को लगेगा लाइक इट इज़ हाई टाइम कि पढ़ना है अब, बट नहीं. I have also joined sports basketball like two months before the exam. Yes, it's true and it led to very good result. मेरे marks बढ़ गए थे, कम नहीं होते, it increases because amidst this tension and this environment of like इतना pressure होता है जब, then you tend to like वहाँ जब पढ़ने भी बैठोगे आप उसी में लगे रहते हो कि एग्ज़ाम है, but you need to understand that exam है, we need to handle the stress also. It is like a stress buster because जब आप खेलने जाओगे when you do some physical activity आपको वहीं पर concentration होता है, आप your mind is totally in a meditative state in fact. So that is very helpful and beneficial to boost your scores. Okay, so add a physical activity in your schedule. The third point which you should do daily is that if 1 month before you are watching this video, then you need to ensure you are performing mock test. If 1 month before the exam, mind my words, then you need to ensure you are doing 2 mock tests a day. Okay, like earlier 2 months before your frequency was of 1, then increase 1 mock test 1 month before, make it to 2. Okay, and do the proper analysis. So if you are watching 1 month before, then you will do 2 mock tests, 3 hours, 6 hours gone, and 2 hours for analysis. Okay, so it will be 4 hours for analysis and 6 hours for mock test. So in total 10 hours and 1 hour extra buffer time for like if important chapters you have to cover. Okay, so 10 hours, 10 to 11 hours study is enough. But mind my words again, that 1 week before the exam, just reduce the number to 1 mock test, and 1 day before the exam, don't do any mock test. Okay, that's the point. But do revise some points which you wrote, like they are very difficult and I need to revise those values or formula, etc., because you need to keep your mind in a very steady state. Okay, study mode, an exam mode even. Next is, if you're watching the video 2 months before the exam, then 2 months before the exam you need to perform 1 mock test only. That is 3 hours, 2 hours analysis, 6 hours, and 1 hour each to each subject. 1 hour physics, 1 hour chemistry, and 1 hour biology. Half an hour to botany and zoology. What you will do in this? First of all, in 10 days, whatever topics you have written, most difficult ones, take 10 to 15 days and most difficult topics, cover them all. How to cover? First of all, read about it, the short notes you have made, your notes or the important formula and everything. Then solve the PYQs, previous year questions. The second step comes after 10 to 15 days. You have completed the most difficult topics. Then you have to go on to the moderate ones. And last, you have to go to the easiest ones. If time allows, easiest ones need to cover through like quick revision or the PYQs only. So this way you will complete the syllabus in 1 month, whole syllabus, and you will also be performing the mock test, and there will be a sense of satisfaction also. I have completed the syllabus, I have performed the mock test and everything. So this will be very beneficial to you in every sense, and this timetable and daily schedule before the NEET exam will help you achieve a better rank and a better score on the final NEET day. And I suggest you in the last that also make a mistake notebook. When you are doing the analysis, then write the mistakes. Don't write the whole question, it will take a lot of time. Just write the mistake. Like I have done some semiconductor question wrong, then I will write the formula of that question, the principle, basic, why did I made this mistake, or what was the basic lacking point. Okay, I will write it in the mistake notebook, and I will revise those mistakes before the final exam day, 2 to 3 days before, or 1 week before. I will be revising the whole mistakes. So this was a short video regarding how to do revision before 2 months, 1 month, and 1 week. So I hope this would help you a lot. And if you like this video, then do subscribe the channel.